Hey guys, I'm George Lahoff and this is Maker's Best Friend. If you guys have been wondering where I've been the past couple of weeks, I've actually been on vacation and I've been making a lot of the customized cork dartboards. So if you guys want to know what I'm doing when I'm not posting these videos, go ahead and follow me on Instagram. The link's below. I'll normally put up pictures of whatever the project is I'm working on currently, and sometimes there's just no videos for it. So today I'm going to be going over, I'm going to be unboxing the Maslow Ring Kit. The Maslow team is great and decided to send me the the Maslow team is great and decided to send me the ring kit. So I'm going to do an unboxing of that, and you can expect over the next couple of weeks I'll be putting out some more videos on the new Maslow design and how it compares to the old one, along with some other fun products on the side of that. So check it out. Okay, so here's the box that they sent me. There's a lot of fluff in here. This is the mechanical ring kit. I think that might be it. Let me throw out some of these. Yeah, nothing else is in the box. Okay, so what we have here, this looks like the ring that will attach to the sled. Okay. And then inside of the bag with it, some circular rails that kind of ride along it. There's 4 of these here. And then inside the tissue paper, these should probably be the Z-axis mounts, I'm assuming, and motor mounts, but we'll get to that in the next video when we actually put this whole thing together. Okay, and these are for riding across the rails, right? So these attach these bearings here. These will attach here. It'll let you ride across this main rail because the chains will attach to it here. I'm assuming this is for the Z-axis, but I'm not sure. We'll take a look. We'll take a look at how to actually put this together in one of the next videos and do a tolerance test like we always do. Another thing I'm going to be putting out is I'm planning to actually enter the Autodesk Fusion Challenge. I'm not sure if I'm going to be making that with the Maslow. I think I'll at least make one part of it with the Maslow. So make sure you guys check it out for that. I'm going to have a lot of videos coming out. If you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and like below. Any questions or comments, go ahead and put those down below. And thanks again for watching, guys.